Hi there. Yeah? Are you telling more stories? Are you telling more stories? Yeah. Sitting in the back of the truck, belly's all full, telling stories. Whoop, Mommy's gonna lose you here. You're a bit of a squirmy one. Whoa. There we go. There, did you have more to say now? Yeah. Oh, really? When she finished her nurse, she was quite ticked that I tried again. She doesn't want to be burped. She just wants to sit here and talk, right? That's fine. We'll just sit and chat. What are you looking at?